ഇന്ന് നമ്മൾ ഡിസ്കസ് ചെയ്യാൻ പോകുന്നത് ബ്രോഡ്കാസ്റ്റ് സിസ്റ്റത്തിനെ കുറിച്ചിട്ടാണ്. ബ്രോഡ്കാസ്റ്റിംഗ്, അതായത് ഒരു സിംഗിൾ സെൻറ്ററും മൾട്ടിപ്പിൾ റിസീവേഴ്സും ആയിരിക്കും ഉണ്ടായിരിക്കുക. ബ്രോഡ്കാസ്റ്റ് സിസ്റ്റംസ് ആർ ഓൾസോ നോൺ ആസ് യൂണിഡയറക്ഷണൽ ഓർ എ സിമെട്രിക്കൽ ഡിസ്ട്രിബ്യൂഷൻ സിസ്റ്റം. ഹിയർ എ ഹൈ ബാൻഡ്വിഡ്ത്ത് ഡാറ്റ സ്ട്രീം ഈസ് സെൻഡ് ഫ്രം one sender to many receivers. A problem with this type of communication system is the sender cannot organize the data transmitted for a single user, so that the sender tries to optimize the data for all receivers. Each receiver now pick up only the packet needed and drop the other packets. Then digital audio broadcasting, DAB. Unlike analog radio systems, DAB system offers the best sound quality. DAB uses UHF and VHF frequency bands depending on the regulation of the country. The modulation scheme used in DAB is DQPSK. It uses orthogonal frequency division multiplexing. It uses forward error correction to reduce the error rate and introduces guard space between signals during transmission. It contains different frequency blocks, each with 1.5 MHz. DAB can transmit up to 6 audio programs with a data rate of 192 KB per second in each frequency block. It uses two transport mechanisms: Main Service Channel MSC and Fast Information Channel FIC. The MSC carries all user data such as audio, multimedia, etc. It is made up of channel interleaved frames. It offers high data rate of 2.304 MB per second. An FIC carries all control information required for interpreting the content of MSC. MSC operates in two modes: stream mode and packet mode. In case of stream mode, the data is always transmitted at a fixed bit rate. In case of packet mode, data is transmitted in the form of packets. Each DAB frame can have duration of 24, 48, 96 milliseconds depending on the transmission mode. Each frame is made up of three parts: the synchronization channel SC, fast information channel FIC, and main service channel MSC. The synchronization channel consists of a null symbol and phrase reference symbol to synchronize the receiver. ഇതാണൊരു DAB സെൻറ്ററിൻ്റെ ഡയഗ്രാം. ഇവിടെ ഒരു MSC മൾട്ടിപ്ലക്സർ ഉണ്ട്. ഇതിനകത്തോട്ട് രണ്ട് ഡാറ്റയാണ് വരുന്നത്: ഓഡിയോ എൻകോഡഡ് ഡാറ്റ ഫ്രം ദി റേഡിയോ സർവീസ് ആൻഡ് റിമൈനിങ് അതർ ഡാറ്റ ഫ്രം ഡാറ്റ സർവീസ്. ഇത് രണ്ടും MSC മൾട്ടിപ്ലക്സറിനകത്തോട്ട് എത്തും. അതിൽ നിന്ന് ട്രാൻസ്മിഷൻ മൾട്ടിപ്ലക്സറിനകത്തോട്ടും. ദെൻ കൺട്രോൾ ഇൻഫർമേഷൻ FIC പ്രൊവൈഡ് ചെയ്യും. ഇത് രണ്ടും കൂടി OFDMനകത്തോട്ടും ദെൻ ട്രാൻസ്മിറ്ററിനകത്തോട്ടും. ഇത് DAB റിസീവറാണ്. ഇവിടെ ട്യൂണറുണ്ട്. അത് കഴിഞ്ഞിട്ട് OFDM ഡീമോഡുലേറ്റർ ഉണ്ട്. ദെൻ ചാനൽ ഡീകോഡർ, ഓഡിയോ ഡീകോഡർ. നെക്സ്റ്റ് വൺ എന്ന് പറയുന്നത് മൾട്ടിമീഡിയ ഒബ്ജക്റ്റ് ട്രാൻസ്ഫർ പ്രോട്ടോക്കോൾ, MOT. As the capabilities of receiver are different, it should be possible for all type of receivers to at least recognize the program associated and program independent data and process some of the data. To overcome this problem, DAB defines a special protocol called the MOT protocol. The primary goal of MOT is to support different data formats such as EMH-EG, Multimedia and Hypermedia Information Coding Expert Group, HTML, HTTP, BMP, GIF. Here data is transferred in the form of MOT objects, each consisting of a header core, header extension and a body. In header code, it is a 7-byte field that contains the size of the header and the body and the type of content present in the body. Header extension. It is of variable size and contain additional information such as the segmentation information, priority of data. Then body. Any type of data can be placed in the body field. It is also of variable size. Then digital video broadcasting. Digital radio standard for broadcasting digital video service in many countries. Digital video broadcasting is a satellite transmission or cable technology or terrestrial transmission. Here we have different standards to measure the level of quality, such as standard definition TV SDTV, enhanced definition TV EDTV, and high definition TV HDTV. Digital video broadcasting has a flexible container MPEG-2 for transmitting the data. The different data that are carried by MPEG-2 are Network Information Table NIT, Service Description Table SDT, Event Information Table EIT, Time and Date Table TDT. NIT contains the different services provided by a provider and some additional information for integrated receiver and decoder. The SDT contains the name and parameter for each service. The ETT contains status information about the current transmission. The TDT contains update information for set-top box. DVB data broadcasting profiles. The MPEG-2 container can carry different type of data using some of the profiles, which are data pipe, data streaming, multi-protocol encapsulation, data carousels, object carousel. First one, data pipe. It provides a simple asynchronous end-to-end delivery of data. Then data streaming. It provides streaming-oriented asynchronous or synchronous end-to-end delivery of data. Then multi-protocol encapsulation. A number of data network protocol can be implemented on the top of MPEG-2 layer. In data carousel, it allows periodic transmission of data. And in object carousel, it allows periodic transmission of objects that are platform independent. DVB for high-speed internet access. Digital video broadcasting can be used for high bandwidth asymmetric internet access. An information provider offers its data to potential customers with the help of service provider. Service provider in turn transmit this information to a satellite provider. If a customer wants to download information from a particular site, the information provider of that site transmit that information to a satellite provider via service provider. In case of fixed network, we can use leased lines for this purpose. The satellite provider multiplexes this stream with other digital TV channel and transmit it to the customer via satellite and satellite receiver. The customer can now receive the requested information with the help of a DVB adapter. This information is usually encrypted to enhance only payees get this facility. As it transmits data stream along with other program, no additional link in between is necessary. However, the data rates can decrease when more number of users try to access simultaneously.